with a nice one. Old tiger rod. Forcing his ass in.
Decent size.
Man, that's a nice one, bro. Damn. That's a big channel, bro. Don't let him go. Damn. No, it's a channel. It's a big ass channel. Here, hold him up, bro.
Jeff.
Sorry for my crappy camera work. Damn, dude. That's a big channel.
Nice.
Casey River boy staring him up.